Hey, good morning, guys. I want to do a very quick training on this morning, a little pop-up, just showing us what is possible when it comes to using AI for your website. If you have a website, you have got a ability where you could drive a lot of traffic to it. It is really important for you to make sure you capture the leads as soon as possible. So if you got a widget on your website, or maybe you have a form they can submit, or even a live chat option, it's going to make it a lot easier for them to contact you. I want to show you what we did with this particular client of ours. They've got a company called EnviroClear, and then what they do is they have got a website, they've got a bit of traffic going to it, but they're not going to always have a client or an agent that is able to respond to as soon as possible, because being a small business, you're going to need to make sure you manage all those things. So what we did was we put a live chat in place. So we got into their account, we have built their chatbot in here. You can see the EnviroClear right in here. We've connected all their assistant ID to OpenAI through the webhooks together. And here we have a WordPress site that we've put all the details in with the API keys in place. Once we pull that data across, then you'll see that it's got a little chat widget bubble down the bottom. And then the way it works is this. So I can now go into this particular chat box, and it's going to go, yep, I had a conversation before, so now I can actually respond here to start a new chat. Hi, can I have more info? So whatever business you may be in, you may be a service business, or you maybe have an electrical business, you may have a gym, you may have anything that comes to where people need to contact you, they want information quickly, and the moment they are not able to get the information they want, they're going to move on to the next person. So a live chat is going to be really, really important part of what you need to provide when it comes to ability to make sure you engage with them as soon as possible. See, I'm talking to you right now. I've got an agent sitting in the background here at the moment. It's going through a bit of a prompting, and then it's asking a few questions. Now I can go into here, and yes, we have some cases of eczema. Right, so now we're going. The bot is now engaging with the client as a live response, back and forth, doing questions, asking a few qualifying questions and things like that. We're also prompted in such a way that it's got enough information about the business that you can actually answer it if they need to. And the idea is that you want to prompt it into having a chat with the owners or the reps that they have on the website. And you can see the replies coming back straight away. How do you compare to other cheaper products? Okay, so I'm just trying. I want to make sure we put this in context of what actually happens in a live chat situation. You have someone responding to you. You've got someone on the live chat that is talking to you, so you can see what's happening right here. Is that the agent is going to be able to respond to them to actually come up with the response they want to do. Now you can see what it's doing. It's actually staying on task. Okay, so I've asked a question, and it's going through and it's answered the questions it wants to. You found the information it needs to out of a PDF or put into the chatbot, and you can see here it's actually continuing the conversation, finding out a bit more about the plumbing to see if there's anything to build. So it's like a back and forth conversation, finding out about the problem and also answering questions at the same time. So if you haven't put into an AI assistant into your business or your website, you really want to consider it, because you're not going to be able to have all those times in the world to be able to answer these questions. People just wanting to come to your website, have a quick look at what you do, and want to find out more information about you. And then the next step will be, if I wait this long enough, and then it's a couple of minutes, there's an automated message. I can re-engage with them to check if they are still online and they want to try and get them back into the conversation. So being a live chat sort of information, you want to make sure you get those engagements very, very quickly. Other things we can do in this particular scenario is we can actually make sure that we put a phone number or an email in place as part of the first question, so that we could actually get them the information they want, so we can contact them after if they're disengaged on a live chat, which can very well happen. Okay, so this is what we're doing here. It's pretty cool. If you haven't done it, please consider it, because if you're driving traffic to your website, you may be missing out a lot of money and leaving a lot of money on the table.